Hi there everyone, this is Brian with MeasureSquare today. Today we're going to cover a tutorial on how to use the module setting inside of our MeasureSquare CRM. We understand that our CRM has many modules that cover different features like deals, different contact types, different order forms, and we also understand that different users may have different needs or different terms. So we allow to customize this bar on the left hand side. To get started, we'll hop over to our settings page in the top right corner. Once we're here, we'll go to the very bottom and click on modules. And you can see that exact same list of all the modules. Now we'll let you change the name of these things. So for instance, some users might prefer to have project instead of deals. To change the name, simply click on the right hand side and you can define the singular and plural version of your new word. For this case, you might do project and projects. This change affects the whole system. So if you create a quote and the quote used to say deal number, now it will say project number. Likewise, we also let you hide certain features. So for our retail users, they might not want to have companies, they might just only work with contacts. We let you hide them, and on the left-hand side, you can see that the companies tab has disappeared. Likewise, some of our early users might prefer to only have a small scope of use within their CRM, and maybe they'll want to focus only on the sales tab. They can actually hide all the other tabs and keep their UI as clean as possible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you again for watching. Happy measuring, everyone.